Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Welcome to another video. Today we're getting some 25-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Frisco today. Yes, 25 miles per hour, that's what I said. We've been having some very strong wind gusts the last few days. So I thought I'd just make a strong wind gust video today. Yeah, we're just getting some 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. There goes the wind on the oak tree. There's my bald cypress blowing. It's blowing pretty good. Oh, there goes the wind over there. That's going to be a strong gust coming through. Look at those live oaks. They're moving pretty good. They are moving really good. The winds are coming in from the north. They're not even blowing from the southwest anymore, so we finally get a break from the southwest winds. There goes those Bradford pears over there. Yeah. Because my bald cypress has been going out of style from the southwest winds, and now that the winds are coming in from the north, my cypress can go back into style. That's good. Same for my oak tree, because it's always been blowing to the left. And it's blowing upwards. Before we move on to the rest of the video, you guys are probably wondering why the heck this oak tree grew like this. It's not because of the wind. It's actually because of sunlight. It's because of my bald cypress. It's because of sunlight. It's not because of wind. It's because of sunlight. And there goes the wind. Oh man. Oh my goodness. For some reason, cars just like to speed through this neighborhood. I don't know why, but it's so stupid. Let's go to the live oaks real quick. There goes the wind on my oak tree and my cypress. These live oaks were swooshing. They were swooshing, but barely. You can barely even hear them swoosh. They were swooshing a few minutes ago with these 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. My cypress has some beautiful needles on it. There go those two oak trees. Oh my goodness. So usually that pistachio will blow first, and then it goes to my oak, then my cypress, and then those, oh yeah, live oaks. Now there goes the wind for sure. Oh my gosh, it's hot outside today. Luckily these winds from the north are cooling us down. I can hear wind chimes going. We might get a storm coming from the north. Well, there's not going to be any storms for at least a couple of days, or at least a couple weeks. You're lucky it's a Thursday. It's a beautiful Thursday here in Frisco, Texas. It is a beautiful Thursday. A beautiful Thursday afternoon. I'm gonna check the date real quick. Today's Thursday. It's Thursday, August 21st at 5:50 p.m. Almost 6 o'clock. It's almost 6 p.m. on a Thursday afternoon. There goes the wind. There goes the wind on my cypress. Oh, wow. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard, so I'll see y'all in a moment. Oh my gosh, there's a lizard. There's a lizard. He went back there somewhere, but... Alright, let's go to the back. Alright, we're here in the backyard now. We've made it to the backyard. There goes that mulberry, and then that Bradford pear right there. I can also see that Chinese elm blowing. Okay. I also forgot to point out, if I didn't already said this, there's two new mulberry trees. There's 2 new mulberry trees growing. One right there, and one right there. You can see that one there, and then that one right there. So, yeah. Hopefully they can grow strong and ever. Wait, let's see if we can see my bald cypress from here. There it is, right there. There goes the wind on that tree. Oh, geez. Sorry, just grabbing some leaves from the fire pit. Yep, there's the wind. Oh yeah, there it goes. There goes the wind. The clouds are also moving the same direction as the wind. They're blowing, the clouds are moving north. There goes that oak tree, that post oak. If you guys don't know what post oaks are, they're commonly found in Oklahoma and Texas. Those post oaks. I call post oaks the trees of Oklahoma. Because in Oklahoma, you'll see them everywhere. Like goodness. I can hear that giant sweet gum over there. That massive sweet gum right there. And I'm still excited for this winter time. I'm still excited for winter. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Oh my gosh. That was so cool. My oak tree blowed and then it went to my cypress. That's cool. So you could see that branch right there on my cypress, that massive branch. That's a big branch. That is very massive. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in the shade because the sun is very hot and it's heating up my camera. There never might be a tree in the stump again. If you haven't seen that short, go check it out. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna have to end this off here because it's getting way too hot and I don't want my camera to overheat. So I appreciate y'all for watching. We had some good 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts today. If there is any storms, I will let y'all know and I'll pick up my next video. And like and subscribe for more videos. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. See y'all later.